Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christy-Ann. Let's learn really fun beginner dance called I Close My Eyes. It's beautiful, beautiful. 2 restarts, while 2 and 6 after 15 counts. And I'll show you. Let's preview the steps first. So it starts with the right foot with a weave. Front, side, behind, side. Rock, recover, and a shuffle. And a cross, side, side, cross, left, rock, recover, and a crossing shuffle, and a box with a cha-cha-cha or a shuffle, and a box with the shuffle, rock back, half, shuffle, rock back, shuffle forward. That's it. 32 counts. Let's break it down. Starts with a weave with the right foot going left. So it's front, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, shuffle to the side. Yes, that's the first 8. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Second 8. Just finished our shuffle to the side. We cross left, quarter turn with our right foot stepping back over our left shoulder, side with our left, cross with our right. Left foot's free to do a rock, recover to the side, and a crossing shuffle facing the 9 o'clock wall. Crossing shuffle. Yes. Again, the steps on that. Just finished our rock, recover, and our shuffle. We want to get to that wall. So we're going to cross with the left, step back with our right, facing the 9 o'clock, and cross. Then a rock, recover to the side, and a crossing shuffle. Yes. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, let's put those first 2 together. First 16 counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. You're halfway through. We just finished our crossing shuffle. Now we're going to do the rumba box forward. We're going to make a box on the floor. So we're going to step right, drag the left, and then a forward shuffle with our right foot. Shuffle forward. Now we go left, making the top of the box. Left, slide the right, put your weight on it, and go back with the left foot. Shuffle back. Yes. So it's right, together, shuffle forward, left, drag together, shuffle back. Awesome. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put those first 3 together. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, rock, recover, and shuffle. Left, turn, left, cross, rock, recover, crossing shuffle. Make your box together and a shuffle forward. Make your box together, shuffle back. Awesome. Last 8. We're going to do rock, recover back with our right foot. Rock, recover. Now we're going to do a shuffle turn, half turn over our left shoulder to end up at the 3 o'clock wall. So we shuffle, half turn. A right, left, right. Yes. Left foot's free. We do a rock, recover again, and we shuffle forward with the left. Shuffle forward. One more time. We just finished our box. Right, together, left, together. Right foot goes back, rock, recover, Shuffle over your left shoulder. Shuffle, half turn. Good. Left foot's free to rock, back, recover, shuffle forward. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back. Shuffle, half turn, rock back, shuffle forward. Awesome. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Let's put it all together. So we're going to weave to our left, starting with our right foot with a cross. A front, side, behind, side, rock, recover, shuffle. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, right, rock, recover, and a shuffle. Cross, turn, side, cross, rock, recover, crossing, shuffle. Make your box. Right, drag, shuffle, forward, left. Drag, shuffle, back, rock, back. Half shuffle, turn, rock, back. Shuffle, forward. Awesome. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This wall, your new wall, the 3 o'clock wall, which is your second wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. New wall. Yes, that's a 32 counts. There are 2 restarts with a little step change, really minor, don't worry, on wall 2 and wall 6. And you can hear it in the music, it really does change. And then it starts again with the chorus, I close my eyes. So pretty. So we're going to do the 15 counts first. So we're going to do our first 15 counts, and I'll show you the little minor step change into the restart. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of 7 and 8, a crossing shuffle, you step on your left and sweep your right because you're going to weave to your left with your right foot. So after you do the rock, recover, you do step, sweep. Then you start again. Cross, side, behind, side. That makes sense? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, that's it. That's it. Instead of the crossing shuffle, you do a step, sweep, and restart with your weave with your right foot. That's it. Such a pretty song. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. You deserve it. Bye.